Assalamualaikum students. Welcome back to your online class of maths. Hope you all are fine. Children, as you all know that we have completed our syllabus and we have started the revision from the first chapter. So let's get started, children. The first chapter here is numbers 1 to 10. And we have learned about counting, making pairs, count, read and match, and number names also we have learned, concept of zero, backward and forward counting also we have learned in the previous class. In today's class we are going to learn before, after and between. Now students, look at these objects. Here I have a sharpener, pencil and an eraser. This sharpener is before the pencil and this eraser is after the pencil, and this pencil is in between sharpener and eraser. Children, this sharpener is before the pencil and this eraser is after the pencil, and the pencil is in between sharpener and eraser. Now I have changed the places. This sharpener is after the pencil and this eraser is before the pencil, and now the eraser is in between pencil and sharpener. So this is the concept of before, after and between. Now look at the number strip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As our chapter is from 1 to 10, so we have taken number strip from 1 to 10 only. 6 we have. What comes after 6? After 6 here is 7. Next, what comes before 8? 7. So I come before 7, I come between 6 and 8, that means 7. 7 comes between 6 and 8 comes after 7. Write the number that comes just before each of the given numbers. Before numbers we have to write here. What comes before 7? 6. Look at the number strip and do. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 2? 1. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 8? 7. And what comes before 10? 9. Let's do the after numbers. Write the numbers that comes just after each of the given number. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 3? 4. And 3 comes after 2. And 7 comes after 6. And 10 comes after 9. And 9 comes after 8. Write the numbers that comes between each of the two given numbers. We have to write the between numbers. Two numbers it is given, we have to write the between. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. What comes between 3 and 5? 4. What comes between 2 and 4? 3. And what comes between 8 and 10? 9. What comes between 5 and 7? 6. What comes between 6 and 8? 7. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. What comes between 7 and 9? 8. So children, this is the concept of before, after and between. Next, more and less. What is more? The number which comes just after any number is one more than that number. What is more, children? The number which comes just after any number is one more than that number. Write one more than the given numbers. What is one more than 5? 6. What is one more than 1? 2. What is one more than 6? 7. What is one more than 7? 8. What is one more than 4? 5. What is one more than 8? 9. What is one more than 3? 4. And what is one more than 9? 10. Next we have less, L-E-S-S, less. The number which comes just before any number is one less than that number. The number which comes just before any number is one less than that number. That means before numbers. What is 1 less than 8? 7. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 7 is 6. 1 less than 2 is 1. 1 less than 6 is 5. 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 10 is 9. And 1 less than 5 is 4. Now your homework is draw one more than the number of balls given below. Here it is given 3 balls. You have to draw one more than these 3 balls. Next, draw one less than the number of bats. Here you have to draw one more. You have to draw one less. Okay. So children, this is the revision session. So you have to revise the topics in your notebooks because we have completed this. Okay na? So practice this in your notebook and be ready for the next classes. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.